In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of Hostinger AI Website Builder and show you how it works. We'll take a look at how to generate a website with AI, customize the design, edit the content, and explore some of the tools and features that Hostinger provides. Let's get started. This is Hostinger. It's a great hosting provider with affordable prices. Now let's choose a hosting plan. I'd recommend the middle plan. It gives you 50 gigabytes of storage, allows you to host unlimited websites, and includes a free domain name for the first year. Go ahead and click Choose Plan. Here you can choose how long you want to purchase your hosting plan. The longer the subscription period, the more money you'll save. You can choose up to 48 months, which is 4 years. I've included a link in the description below. If you sign up through that link, you can save up to 20%. Scroll down and you can search for a domain name here if you don't already have one. Your domain is free for the first year. So, type in the domain name you want. If it's available, you can select it. You can register it for 2 or 3 years, or just 1 year if you prefer. Once you're done, click Continue. Next, create your Hostinger account. After that, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Just enter your billing information, choose your payment method, and complete the purchase. Once you've purchased your hosting plan, go to your Hostinger H panel. Click on Websites. Then click Add Website. Select Hostinger Website Builder. Here you can write a description of the website you want to create or describe your business. You'll also find a few prompt suggestions below. For example, here's a demo prompt for a restaurant website. Further down, you'll see a wide variety of website templates that you can choose from. For now, I'll try generating a website using this prompt first. Okay, after a few minutes, you can see that this is the website generated by Hostinger AI. Let's scroll down and take a look. It actually looks pretty good. It comes with 4 pages: the home page, menu page, story page, and location page. Overall, I think it's a solid starting point. You just need to edit the text, replace the images with your own, and your website is almost ready to go. It even includes a reservation form, so customers can view your restaurant and book a table. The fonts and color scheme look great, and it even generated a logo for me automatically. All right, let's click Continue. The next page takes you to Hostinger's website editor. From here you can edit each page of your website. The AI has already generated a logo, but you can easily replace it with your own if you have one. For example, if I want to edit this text, I simply click on it and then select Edit Text. Here I can change the heading, choose a different font, adjust the font size, and make the text bold or italic. I can also add animations such as fade or slide. If I want to rearrange the layout, I can simply click and hold the text, then drag and drop it wherever I want on the page. As for the images, I think these were generated by AI. In some of my previous tests, Hostinger used stock photos instead. You can simply replace these with photos of your own restaurant. You can also customize the image style by adjusting the corner radius, adding an image overlay, changing the image shape, or applying animations. For buttons, you can link them to another page or to a specific section of your website. Just like the other elements, you can also customize the button style and animation. Down here you can drag the bottom edge to make this section taller or shorter, depending on the layout you want. Hostinger also comes with a built-in contact form. Click on Edit Form, and all you need to do is enter your email address. Once you've done that, the form is ready to use. You can also add more fields, such as checkboxes, drop-downs, and other form elements, then customize the form however you like. Overall, I think this homepage is pretty simple. I only used a basic prompt and didn't spend much time describing what I wanted. If you take the time to write a more detailed prompt, Hostinger AI can generate an even better website with a more polished design and content. You can also add new sections and elements from here. For example, to add an element, simply drag and drop it onto the page wherever you want. Creating a new page is just as easy. Click Add Page, choose a template, and you can start editing right away. If you want to delete a page, simply select it and click Delete. You can also customize the global styles here. Keep in mind that these settings apply to the entire website, so they may override any individual changes you've made earlier. Hostinger also includes a variety of built-in AI tools. You can use them to generate images, write website content. On top of that, it offers useful features like analytics, backups, and other website management tools. If you ever decide to switch platforms, you can also export your website content to WordPress. You can also use Hostinger's pre-designed templates. The templates are well designed and provide a good starting point for different types of websites. If you want to build an online store, Hostinger also includes e-commerce features. You can sell both digital and physical products, manage your product catalog, and connect your preferred payment gateways. That's it for this video. I hope this gives you a better idea of what Hostinger AI Website Builder can do and how the editor works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.